Step into the future of finance with Brian Armstrong, the visionary CEO of Coinbase, on a quest to redefine the basis of our economic systems. Armstrong emerges as a torchbearer of change in a world where borders blur, currencies converge, and power shifts from the state to individuals. This documentary takes you into his world, a relentless journey marked by ambition, legal challenges, and the chaotic landscape of cryptocurrencies. Will Armstrong succeed in initiating a new era of financial revolution? Join us as we unravel the captivating life and mission of Brian Armstrong, a man determined to alter finance's trajectory. Brace yourself for a quest where innovation meets controversy, and one man's vision challenges the very foundations of traditional banking. This is the Brian Armstrong story, where the enigma of crypto unfolds and the future of finance takes shape. Educational and professional background. Brian Armstrong was born to engineer parents on January 25, 1983, near San Jose, California. He studied computer science and economics and earned a master's degree in computer science from Rice University in 2006. He interned for IBM as a student at Rice and then worked in enterprise risk management for Deloitte and Touche. At Rice, he co-founded his first venture, universitytutor.com, in 2003. The website connected parents, students, and independent instructors worldwide. Brian Armstrong served as CEO of universitytutor.com until 2012. Johnson Educational Technologies LLC acquired the business in 2014. As a serial entrepreneur, he co-founded Give Crypto, a philanthropic platform that aims to provide cryptocurrency to the underprivileged and improve financial inclusion. Brian Armstrong honed his entrepreneurial skills while working alongside his regular job as a developer and consultant, and in other roles with firms including Airbnb, IBM, and Deloitte. In 2012, Armstrong quit his job at Airbnb and co-founded Coinbase with Fred Ehrsam, bringing crypto trading access to millions of Americans and global crypto enthusiasts. Continuing his entrepreneurial journey, Brian Armstrong will be recognized in 2024 as the co-founder of New Limit, a bioengineering startup specializing in epigenetic cell reprogramming. How was Coinbase found? Armstrong applied for Y Combinator incubation, but was told to find a co-founder to proceed and had only 3 days to find one. He posted on Hacker News for a co-founder explaining his mission, which went viral and garnered massive interest on Reddit. This was when Armstrong met Ehrsam, a Goldman Sachs trader, on a subreddit where Armstrong often posted his views on crypto, and they shared a bullish view on Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency space as a whole. The duo joined hands and obtained a $150,000 funding infusion from the startup incubator program at Y Combinator. Ben Reeves, a British programmer and co-founder of blockchain.com, was initially also interested and was in discussions to be a member of the Coinbase founding team. However, Reeves and Armstrong split up soon before the Y Combinator funding due to their divergent opinions on how Coinbase Wallet should function. Coinbase launched out of a 2-bedroom shared apartment by introducing its services for buying and selling BTC using bank transfers in October 2012. Coinbase funding and valuation. Armstrong and Ehrsam started raising funds to build Coinbase, and in May 2013, raised a $5 million Series A investment from New York-based venture capital firm Union Square Ventures, with Fred Wilson serving as the lead investor. Wilson, co-founder of Union Square Ventures, is well known for his earlier investments in successful companies, including Twitter, Tumblr, Zynga, Foursquare, Etsy, and more. In December 2013, Coinbase raised another $25 million from Andreessen Horowitz, Ribbit Capital, and other investors. Coinbase has 76 investors and has raised $498.7 million in funding over 18 rounds. Ehrsam left the company in 2017 with a 6% stake, but still serves on the board of directors and was part of the company's audit committee before its April 2021 public offering. Coinbase, under Brian Armstrong's leadership, has been active in investing in other companies and has made 23 investments. The most recent investment was on February 15, 2023, in the crypto market index fund Alongside, which raised a total of $11 million in the round. On April 14, 2021, Coinbase went public via a direct stock listing and was listed on the Nasdaq as Coin. Coinbase opened at $381 per share, valuing the company at $99.6 billion, and briefly touched a market capitalization of $100 billion, 10 times higher than Coinbase's last private valuation. The valuation rivaled the likes of Facebook and Airbnb when they went public. Brian Armstrong owns approximately 19% of Coinbase shares as of October 26, 2023. This translates to roughly 41.3 million shares, considering Coinbase has 217,319,133 shares outstanding. It's important to note that the exact number of shares Armstrong owns can fluctuate due to various factors, such as stock repurchases, employee stock options, and market conditions. According to Forbes, Armstrong has an estimated net worth between $5.6 and $6.2 billion, with a significant portion of this wealth stemming from his Coinbase share ownership. Coinbase growth trajectory under Brian Armstrong's leadership. From a simple platform for buying and selling Bitcoin, Coinbase grew in scale and now operates in over 100 countries, providing a range of products catering to retail traders, institutional investors, developers, and businesses in the cryptocurrency market. Its product offerings can be divided into three primary lines of business designed for retail traders. Coinbase offers its app for purchasing, storing, and trading various cryptocurrencies, and it has the Coinbase wallet to enable access to decentralized cryptocurrency applications, dApps. These have accelerated mass adoption due to their ease of use. Coinbase Pro, launched in 2015, also serves as a crypto exchange for high-volume professional crypto traders with advanced charting and trading options, giving superior control over trading. Institutional investors. A trading platform called Coinbase Prime offers multiple exchanges, financing options, and secure storage for the custody of digital assets using Coinbase custody services. It was created specifically for institutional customers and corporate entities. Developers. Coinbase Cloud helps app developers with fiat to crypto and wallet software development kits and wallet infrastructure APIs to create their dApps for accepting payments in digital currencies. Brian Armstrong. Approach, thoughts, and views. While individual beliefs can evolve, insights from Brian Armstrong's interviews, public statements, or articles reveal the following insights. Cryptocurrency and financial system. I wanted the world to have a global, open financial system that drove innovation and freedom. Brian Armstrong. Coinbase's trajectory has followed the bulls and bears of the broader crypto world and has sailed steadily under Armstrong's leadership. He often shares his views and opinions on Coinbase and cryptocurrencies through his Medium blogs published under his profile and the banner of the Coinbase blog. Brian Armstrong said, Coinbase's mission is to increase economic freedom in the world. He has aimed to do this by promoting crypto assets as an investment vehicle, creating a new financial system parallel to traditional finance, and providing an app platform to fulfill this purpose. Employees and work practice. Olaf Carlson Wee, a Vassar College alum, was the company's first employee in 2013. From a two-employee company out of a shared apartment, Coinbase grew rapidly under Brian Armstrong as CEO and employed over 1,000 employees within the first 2 years of its operations. However, by 2017, the world assumed crypto was almost dead amid Bitcoin's price crash, as it lost more than a third of its value and wiped out billions from the market. As a result, many Coinbase employees left. Coinbase was initially headquartered in San Francisco, California. Still, during the COVID-19 pandemic, Brian Armstrong announced that Coinbase would be a full remote organization and would no longer recognize a formal headquarters. According to a December 2018 report by the New York Times, Coinbase paid its black and female workforce less compared to its white and male counterparts in similar roles. However, the chief people officer of Coinbase announced in a blog post in May 2021 that the company would be removing salary and equity negotiations from the hiring process. Brian Armstrong has been vocal about his commitment to creating an open and inclusive work environment, supporting employee autonomy, and focusing on the company's mission to enable economic freedom through cryptocurrencies. Coinbase emerged as a frontrunner in the industry, sustaining many booms, dips, crypto winters, and bull runs while continuing to sustain and expand its extensive user base. Coinbase's promotional and marketing strategies have often been unrivaled in the landscape of cryptocurrency services. At the peak of the NFT boom in 2021, Coinbase planned a giveaway from one of the most valuable NFT collections, Bored Ape Yacht Club. During the 2022 Super Bowl, Coinbase unveiled a captivating commercial that showcased a dynamically bouncing QR code. Upon scanning, people were directed to Coinbase's promotional website, where they were offered $15 worth of Bitcoin just for creating an account with Coinbase. The influx of customers was so high that the Coinbase site crashed briefly. Regulatory environment. Brian Armstrong has been a vocal advocate of crypto regulation to help drive economic growth and consumer protection. He has often emphasized the importance of regulatory clarity and a balanced approach to government oversight to foster innovation in the cryptocurrency industry. However, the relationship between Coinbase and the SEC has been characterized by a notable level of turbulence and uncertainty. In March 2023, the SEC warned Coinbase, indicating the potential for charges. Before this, the SEC had warned that Coinbase and other crypto exchanges had disregarded securities laws by asserting that cryptocurrencies were not classified as securities, thereby asserting that registration as a broker was unnecessary. Brian Armstrong had issued his clarification to the SEC multiple times and in public forums. However, on June 6, 2023, the SEC sued Coinbase, asserting that the company engaged in trading at least 13 cryptocurrency assets that qualify as securities and should have been registered accordingly. Those assets included Solana SOL, Cardano ADA, and Polygon Matic. Furthermore, the SEC stated that Coinbase operated as an unregistered exchange, broker, and clearinghouse. The future of Coinbase amid the SEC's allegations. The charges and lawsuit brought by the SEC have raised worries about the future of Coinbase. The lawsuit's outcome might affect Coinbase's capacity to operate and extend its services within the US and internationally. An unfavorable outcome may result in large fines, penalties, or even limits on its operations, harming its growth and reputation. However, Coinbase has a history of successfully handling regulatory difficulties. The company has committed to compliance and established strong partnerships with regulatory bodies. Nonetheless, the future of Coinbase depends on the outcome of the SEC's charges. Ultimately, the company's ability to properly manage regulatory concerns, protect its reputation, and adapt to shifting legislation will be essential in deciding its long-term viability and location within the dynamic crypto ecosystem. Final thoughts. Brian Armstrong's story has unfolded alongside the explosive growth of Coinbase, one of the world's most valuable crypto companies today. While navigating the volatile crypto market, Armstrong has also taken on the crucial role of bridging the gap between the industry and regulators. His mission to play ball with regulators might seem straightforward. Still, it's placed him and Coinbase at the forefront, helping governments and institutions navigate the uncharted territory of the crypto economy. Remember, Brian Armstrong's story is about ambition, resilience, and innovation. He has weathered crashes, regulations, and legal battles, riding the wild waves of the crypto revolution. As the future of this innovative technology unfolds, one thing is certain: Brian Armstrong will be at the forefront, shaping its narrative and leaving his legacy on this ever-evolving frontier. But the story doesn't end here. The question remains: what role will cryptocurrency play in our future? Will it empower individuals and disrupt traditional financial institutions? Or will it face challenges that hinder its progress? We hope you have enjoyed this exploration of Brian Armstrong's life and the evolving world of cryptocurrency. Did Brian Armstrong's story spark your curiosity about the future of crypto? Are you wondering what other bold innovators are shaping this new financial landscape? We invite you to subscribe for more in-depth explorations of the key players, revolutionary projects, and emerging trends shaking up the world of finance.